Okay, so this one is going to be, they give you your M and your B. Okay, this is your y-intercept. So you're going to write y is equal to 4/3, and it's positive, x plus 7. That's the equation you have to have in the directions. It says, solve each problem for y equals, if it isn't already, write each equation in slope-intercept form. Y is equal to m, which is 4/3, x plus b, which is 7. Then graph the line. So this line will be graphed. It's going to be a positive 7, so you're going to go up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to say that's 7. And then it's going to be, remember, it's rise over run. So it means you're going to go rise up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then over 3. 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to graph your line. Okay? That is how you do this one. Okay, so now let's look at this one. This was P, and it's y plus 23 equals to 1/2 x. So what we need to do is we need to move this 23 over to this side. So this is how we do that. Remember, when you cross the equal sign, it changes the sign. So it's going to be y is equal to 1/2 x minus 23. And that is y-intercept form. Now, when we go to graph it, you're going to count down all the way to negative 23 down here and put your little dot, and then you're graphing 1/3, which is, remember, it's always rise over run, and it's positive, so that means you're going to move on your positive axis. So you're going to go up 1 and over 2. And that's your line, your graph your line. Okay, the next one I want to do real quick is this one because it has the distributive property in it. All right, so this is what you do. You look at the distributive property, you do that side first. So you have a negative 1/4, parentheses opened, x minus 4, parentheses closed. So then you're going to do the distributive property where you're going to take negative 1/4 times x. That's the first answer. This one is a little different. This one becomes negative 1/4 times 4/1. When you multiply that, you're going to get you're going to get a 4/4, but because they're both a negative, you get a positive 4/4, which gives you a positive 1. So you end up with positive 1. Okay? Did that make sense? I hope that made sense. Okay, so that's what you get on this side. On this side, you keep your y is equal to, your y minus 21. Okay? So now you have to bring this minus 21 over here. Well, when you cross the line, it becomes a positive. Okay? So you subtract it from here, but it becomes a positive. So you're going to end up with y is equal to negative 1/4 x plus 21, so you're going to get a plus 22. So this is your y-intercept form. When you go to graph it, once again, you're going to go up 22 on the y-intercept. So this is going to be your 22. You remember it's negative 1/4. So rise over run is going to be up, down 1, because I'm going to put the negative on the rise. Down 1/4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you graph it. This is the point you're going to graph to. All right? Where is the thing to turn it off?